Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today we're talking about outdoor patio furniture. You guys, this is one of the most affordable sets on Amazon, and it looks amazing. It's super easy to put together. You guys are gonna want to check it out. It's the Flamaker three-piece outdoor patio set. You guys, this is going to be 2 chairs and then the little bistro conversation table in between. These chairs are gorgeous. It's going to have the PE wicker as well as your nice cushion on the bottom. I really like these chairs because they are extra wide and deep. They're really going to be nice and comfortable. They've got the armrest, and if you notice, the bottom of these, actually the front and back feet are connected with an extra bar between them, which just adds even more stability. This is going to be a very strong, durable patio set that's going to last for a really long time. Not only is the actual structure designed really well, all of the materials are awesome. You're going to have, your really comfortable cushion that is removable outside, so you can just throw it in the washing machine and wash it. That's going to hold up for a long time. And then you have PE wicker on the outside of the chairs. This PE wicker is so much better, in my opinion, than the old kind of wicker. This is going to be really resistant to all kinds of like rust and corrosion. It's not going to break down. It's not going to get moldy and funky in the weather. And most importantly, it's also resistant to UV rays, so the sun is not going to fade those colors. They are still going to look nice, beautiful, in whatever color you choose to get this in. It's super amazing. You're gonna love it. It's just gonna get you outdoors and enjoying this beautiful weather. So go ahead and put this in your cart. You're gonna be so happy you did.